Unlock the secret to smoother, more professional images from your Canon Eos 250d. Graininess, or nose, often plagues photos, especially in low light. Let's tackle it hidden. Our first stop is ISO. ISO controls your camera's sensitivity to light. Higher ISO values are great for dark environments, but they're also a major culprit behind grain. Aim for the lowest possible ISO setting that still gives you a properly exposed image for daylight or well-lit scenes. Try keeping your ISO between 100 and 400. When light is scarce, resist the urge to crank up the ISO immediately. Instead, consider opening up your aperture. A wider aperture, indicated by a smaller f number, lets in more light, reducing your reliance on high ISO settings. Next, shutter speed is slower. Shutter speed also allows more light to hit your sensor, which can reduce the need for a high ISO. However, remember to use a tripod with slower shutter speeds to prevent motion blur and keep your image sharp. Your Canon Eos 250d also has built-in nose reduction settings. Dive into your camera's menu, look for nose reduction, and experiment with the standard or low options. For the most control, shoot in RAW format. RAW files contain more image data, giving you greater flexibility for nose reduction in post-processing. Programs like Adobe Lightroom or Photoshop offer powerful nose reduction tools that can work wonders on your RAW files. By understanding and implementing these techniques, you'll significantly improve your Canon Eos 250d's image quality and banish grain for good. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more photography tips.